Hi, my name is Stina Spiegelberg and I'm a food addict. I found my passion in working as a TV chef, coach and author, cooking and baking only with plant-based ingredients. Baking is like meditation to me. You can create so many things and just enjoy being in the moment by baking. Nature offers us the most vibrant colors. All we have to do is pick them and create a rainbow of our own. So pure, so easy and so beautiful to the eye. Silikomart is one of the most creative mold manufacturers in the world, and I love the idea of combining modern plant-based cuisine with the creative, beautiful looks of their designs. When they approached me to do a color line, I was so thrilled and I instinctively wanted to make it a natural line. Vegan colors. We are made to believe that baking is only possible with eggs and dairy. But if you try using plant-based ingredients, a whole new world opens up to you. Veganism really deserves to be communicated in a happy way that just looks good and makes you want to try it. There's no better way to convince someone to go vegan than with a gigantic chocolate cupcake. Enjoy your creativity with these colors and have fun exploring. Vegano e meraviglioso!